I'm coming from Zambia. I brought my daughter, who's 3 months old now. She was diagnosed with truncus arteriosus back home in my country. She was having difficulties in breathing. Usually it was just a flared nose, fast breathing. And after that, we rushed her to the hospital where she was admitted. She was put on a CPAP machine for almost like a month. We were told we needed to see the senior cardiologist to assess her and see if surgery could be done back home in my country. Through the advice of the doctor back home, he connected us to MIOT Hospital, where we got the quotation, and the price was actually a good offer compared to other quotations we had gotten. And the surgery went perfectly well, and the baby has been doing fine since then. You know, back home when I was told nothing could be done for us and all hope was lost. But when we came here, we were told a different story. It's a story of hope, you know. It was a game changer. And I'm going back home as a happy mother, you know. After being in hospital for a very long time, I can safely say I'm happy and I'm grateful to the team at MIOT Hospital.